In this example, we're going to use scalar multiplication to help us solve and find expression for the vectors shown below. For example, AM, BN, AN, MC, and MN. Now, the given information that we have is that vector AB equals P, vector BC equals Q, M is the midpoint of AB, and N divides in the ratio 1 to 2. Now, that's important information, 1 to 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, so knowing that, we know we're going to be dealing with thirds. So that means N is a third of the way in. And this is relevant to help us when it comes to solving this. So if we're looking at AM, for example, so our first vector, AM. So AM is from here to M. So that's AM. AM, well, that's a half P. So that's the vector expression. Now, if we're looking at Bn, well, Bn now is from B to N. And that's where that third ratio comes into to help us, because this is now a third Q. All right, so that's the vector expression, because it's a third of the way through from B to C. That's where N lies. Now, if we were looking at AN, now AN is from here to here. So vector AN, well, that's vector AB, which is P. So we're going to get P plus that a third Q. Because that's the resulting vector of AN is the vector AB plus a third of BC, which is P plus a third Q. Next, we have MC. MC. So we look at our diagram and see what we have. MC. So we're going from M to C. So MC is, we've got from M, we've got, which is MC is vector MB plus vector BC, which equals a half of P plus all of Q. Now, our next one is MN. So we have MN. So we've got vector MN. So that's from M to N. Now, if we look at it, that's from M, so that's MB to BN. So looking at that, we can see that that's a half of P plus a third of Q. And that's how we use scalar multiplication, or division in this case, to help us with identifying vector expressions.